All right, here's the frame. Obviously, you've seen it before, but now we put this cross member in here, and then we just had this bent up. So now we're gonna do our not parallel folding, but our parallel bars to this cross member here, and then we're gonna do like a 3-link coming up here with one going here. And that's gonna be excellent. But I think it looks really classy, looks really nice. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna do, you can see here, some bent tube with our shock mounts and airbag mounts. So looks awesome. You know what else looks awesome? Luke cleaned the 49 Chevy car, and gosh darn it, it is gorgeous. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm liking the direction, this direction a lot more than what we were doing the first time. This just looks really nice. Clean, simple, sophisticated. Just like me. Yeah, we got the exhaust cutouts there. Not cutouts, but throughways. I'd love to see it go up and over the axle. I think that looks so cool, especially on slam vehicles when you can maintain that. Oh yeah. But we're getting there. It's a process. It's not it doesn't get done overnight. But we're picking away at it little by little and making progress. I like those. I think those wheels are sick.
Nice.
I didn't love them at first, but they grew on me, and now I just can't stop looking at them. So, got that going for me, which is nice.
So I got that going for me, which is nice.
As you just seen in that little speed up video, I just made the caps for these folding mounts. Kind of good looking. Radius stood out, so it's all nice. Bar sits really nice. Rear end sits minty. So we're looking good. We're looking real good. Now we gotta get this. What is this? What am I calling it? A 3-link. We're gonna get this 3-link made. And cycle this thing again, and hopefully we'll be really happy with it then. Alright, cool. Alright, now here comes the hard part. I'm gonna make a 3-link, and we want like a wishbone kind of deal. So, you know, you need another one of these. So I gotta match what I did here with this and this. Yeah. Alright. This should go easy. I'm really good at this. A lot of practice. A lot of pressure. Ooh, a lot of pressure on this thing. It's like 1/4-inch wall. So this is pretty thick. And you know, do like I do and don't measure where you do it. Just go random. Use your eye. Tape. See, that's going to be pretty close right there. Let's see. I mean, if that's not perfect, I don't know what is. All right, so then, I don't know if you can see, you can't see this. You see me. So I'm gonna weld these like this, all right? And then another one coming out the middle. Oh, maybe I could draw it out. I don't know. You just watch, you'll see. All right, I'm gonna shorten up this wishbone, take about 1.25 inches off each side, and make it minty. Alright, so I just cut out 1.25 inches off of this tube. It's threaded down another, I don't know, inch and a quarter. So there's plenty of threads. But now the threads stop about 1/4 inch before the pipe starts to widen. So I'm gonna tap this hole out so it can screw all the way down.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
I had a buddy yell at me. He's like, "Hey, dude, I'm watching your videos. You need to get off your knees or wear some knee pads." And my old man would have, he would have went up one to the side, down the other. So I got knee pads, and I will start wearing them. Thank you. Now let's get this thing welded up. Burn it up.
All inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance,
So I made my cardboard template. And I just cut these out of 3/16 plate. And these are gonna go. Do this. Yep. Okay. And then we'll take these, move you over here, and then weld that in like that. Very nice. That'd be sick, right? Sick. So we'll do that. And the other one over here, like that. Sick. Boom. Weld it all up, nice and minty. And then maybe drill a couple holes in it. Who knows? All right. Let's get tacking away. I'm gonna grind this up, clean this up, so I can weld to her. Yeah. I've been using this thing right here, the Jackson full face shield for grinding and stuff. $27 or something like that. Love this thing. So if you want one of these, I put a link in the description. Not sponsored or anything by them, but I just think that they're awesome and they're short money. I like cheap and I like comfortable. I kind of want to put this headset or this, this headband thingy. I want to put this on my welding helmet because this is so much more comfortable. But yeah, just thought I'd share.
You got it all inside of you.
So there's the 3-link. Getting me cut the bars off, but that looks awesome. That looks so good. I'm so happy with that.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay?